Let's explore on how to transfer money from Flipkart wallet to bank account. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we need to do, if you haven't done so, create an account here on Flipkart. All you're gonna do is simply enter a mobile number, agree to Flipkart's terms of use and privacy, click continue. And once you have done that, log in using your credentials. And okay, so it says here that Flipkart offers the convenience of using your bank's internet banking service to make a payment towards your order. Or with this, you can directly transfer funds or transfer money from your bank account while conducting a highly secure transaction. All right, so these are the accepted payment through internet banking for the following banks. You might want to take note of this, right? So there's a lot. So I just you go here at Flipkart help page to check some of the partnered banks for Flipkart. There's a lot of them, right? And again, this method can be used to directly transfer funds from your bank account. All right. And also here, if you are interested on how to make a credit or debit card or internet banking payment on Flipkart through the mobile, all right, yes, you can do that. Because Flipkart uses a 256-bit encryption technology to protect your card information while securely transmitting it to the secure and trusted payment gateways managed by leading banks. Now, in any case you're having problems transferring money from your Flipkart wallet to your bank account, which happened to me in the past, what I did simply was, okay, so I simply went here to a Flipkart help center, which is a 24/7 customer care support. And what I did was I hovered down and researched the most related to my problem, which is account and bank account. All right, but of course you need to log in first. And then I was able to contact a live agent that helped me through the process and guide me on how to transfer money from Flipkart wallet to bank account. Basically, they only have a chat live support for now, but if you're not comfortable chatting with an online person, all you're gonna do is send them an email. But the response time may vary depending on your region. All right, but if you can see or check the solution right here, that's going to be helpful, so you won't be talking to an agent anymore. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you have suggested topics for us to cover in the future videos, let us know in the comments. See you again in the next one.